Sibi Saranan.
Yes.
Tell me about yourself, Sibi Saranan.
Okay, ma'am. First of all, thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself. I am C.B. Saran, coming from Chennai, and I completed my B.Tech Information Technology course at Ishwar Engineering College, which is located at Ramapuram, Chennai. And I completed my full stack Java course at Code99 IT Academy in Miracheri. I am coming from nuclear family, and my positives are I am adaptable to the new technology, and I am a positive thinker. And my short-term goal is to get placed in a good reputed company. And my long-term goal is to become the highest position on that particular organization which I was placed in.
Okay. What about your technical skills?
Yeah, my technical skills are I'm very well good in the front end as well as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React. And for back end, I'm using Java. For database connection, I used PostgreSQL.
How rate yourself at Java?
Yeah, Java 10 out of I will give 8.5 to 9.
Why you can rate that like?
Yeah, because I know the code Java, but DSA process will be there, which is nothing but is graph, tree, etc. So I want to get focused on that more on the DSA part, so that after that I will be thorough on the particular part. I will give it to 10 out of 10 more than.
Okay. You have an experience in intern, right?
Yeah.
What have they done in your experience in the intern?
In intern, I have done a full stack development project, ma'am. It's called OTJ Evaluation and Automation. So I have done CRUD application, ma'am. In that, which is nothing but it's create, read, update, and delete. So in that project, I have used one framework called Spring Boot, ma'am. So in that project, it create one application. It is a client assigned project, ma'am. So I have worked as an intern in the company called MAT Global Degree Services, ma'am. So in that, the team 5 members we have worked on the day in this internship. So we created that project.
Okay, good. Shall we move for technical?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay, tell me about what is exception in Java.
Exception is nothing but the application will going smoothly and without any interruption. But in some cases, some interruption will be get occurred. So in which case it will be called as exception, ma'am. To handle that exception, it will Java introduced one method called exception handling. So in exception handling, we used using try, catch, finally to handle that exception. Try is nothing but whenever the exception is occurred, that cases should be included within the try block, ma'am. In the catch block, what are the conditions should be want to mention, that should be mentioned into the catch block. So finally, the thread exception has to be completed and to be resolved in the sense it will be put the final block and they want to mention that statement according to the exception. So this is called exception.
Okay. Tell me about what is difference between hash set and the hash map.
Hash set and hash map is nothing but it is its key value pairs should be in hash set. And hash map it should be your key value as unique. So both are having doesn't allow duplicate values map. So that should be null. Key value should be multiple key values should be introduced. So on that hash map, multiple values should be included on that.
Okay, tell me about what is encapsulation in Java.
Yeah, encapsulation is nothing but it's wrapping up of data into the single unit, ma'am. It is nothing but variables and functions that's to be bound together in a single wrapping into the single unit that should be get executed, ma'am. So why should we use encapsulation? Means we can able to modify code internally without affecting the outside the code, ma'am. So it's code maintainability too. So if what using encapsulation.
Okay. Why main method contains static keyword?
Because it cannot be able to overridden, ma'am. So what we are using static method. So static is to be nothing but it should be single copy of data. It should be executed to other parts of data.
What about your thought for JVM?
JVM is nothing but it's Java virtual machine, ma'am. It is a part of JDK and JIT. So JVM is it's convert that bytecode into the class file, and then want to execute that file in command prompt called that key called Java C, and file name want to print. Next, after that the code gets compiled, you're using Java, and then file name want to execute, since that output should be uh, uh,
Okay, okay.